the show right now, and we've got our experts on the show, and we have Vaishali Parekh as well here on the show this morning. Ladies, good morning. Good to have you both on the show. Vaishali, let me start off with you. It's a weak structure, not sugarcoating it at all, but just wanted to get your sense. What happens next? What are the key levels that you're looking at? Because the GIFT Nifty this morning is just about defending 19K, and you've got expiry as well.
Very good morning. And yes, of course, we are getting into the oversold zone, but that does not mean that we are done with the corrective move. So today being the expiry, we may see some choppiness, but I don't think Nifty should be crossing 19,200 levels. The downside targets are still open for 18,800 to 18,600. So my view would be to sell on rise. So, well, 19,200 should act as a resistance for now.
Let's also get in a take then from Soni. And Soni, give us a sense as to what you're working with by way of levels, what you're expecting on expiry day, given that it's been choppy trade ahead of this 5 straight days of declines.
Good morning, all, and thank you so much for having me on the show. See, if we speak about the overall structure of Nifty and Bank Nifty, strictly on the perspective of derivatives data point, I think both the rollover indication is towards a weaker side right now. So shorts are getting rolled over to the next series. Of course, today being the expiry day, we are yet to see how the final figures of rollovers take place. But as of now, they are indicating at a shorter side. And Nifty also broke the crucial level of 19,200, which used to be a multiple support level, for the past 2 to 3 months, we can say. So now 19,200 that it has broken, it has opened its space towards 18,800. And today being expiry, we can see that the maximum pain point as per the options metrics is around 19,300. But it seems a bit far-fetched for Nifty to actually do a short covering up to 19,300. So we may see that pain continuing even today's expiry, and somewhere around 19,000 should be the expiry level as of now. Coming to Bank Nifty, I think Bank Nifty has already shown its weakness by breaking 44,000. Now it broke even 43,000. So Bank Nifty is definitely going to head towards 42,000 before taking that comfort of a relief and showing some sort of short covering. The reason being is that Bank Nifty has entered the oversold zone as per the technical parameters. However, I still feel that there is some selling pressure going to continue in Bank Nifty before we can get that sense of relief. So I think both the indices are indicating towards a weaker structure and weaker expiry, especially today. For Bank Nifty, I feel that 43,500 becomes a very crucial resistance.
Okay.
Perhaps above that, it's not going to be the expiry. So
all right, let's find out some top trading recommendations as well then from our experts. And Vaishali, what's on your radar?
So I would say, of course, buying is very scarce right now. But well, from yesterday's momentum, whatever we saw, one of them is Oriental Hotel. I'm looking at that because yesterday we saw good volume pickup and, right from the support, it's given a bounce. So 97 would be the stop loss. And I would be looking at a target of, small-term trading target, intraday target. It could be 110. But slightly positional, it could be 113 levels to start with. So Oriental Hotel looks positive right now. The other stock which I'm looking at is Torrent Pharma. So yesterday post results, we saw a bit of choppiness. So I would say buy near 1900 levels because we saw a very wild swing yesterday, making a low near 1820 and then bouncing back towards 1950 levels. So I guess 1900 is a very ideal level to buy this stock. For a trading target of 1960, stop loss would be 1870.
Right, and let's find out, Soni, what's on your radar? Which are some of your top recommendations this expiry morning?
So I'll have on a more balanced approach. I'll have one on the buy side, one on the sell side. The buying would be for Coal India. We've seen 77% of rollovers taking place in Coal India. And it has also been sustaining above its breakout level of 300. So you can buy Coal India. If you get a small dip around 307 to 305, it would be an ideal range to enter, keeping a stop loss of 295 and targets of 320 to 325. The second stock pick is on the sell side for Indian hotels. So I think Indian hotels, we've seen a breakdown plus short build up taking place. So you can sell Indian hotel on small rise up to 392 to 394, keeping a stop loss of 405 and for targets of 380 to 370. And these are future levels for Indian hotel.